Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TOPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day, explosive move. So let's get some levels of support, and then we'll talk about some areas of resistance. 2 levels of support that really stand out. The first one is the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can continue to hold up above that pink line there, which is the 200 period simple moving average, that would be definitely best case scenario. I say continue because there's already been a couple instances right there where the bears try to press down below there, but the bulls did a good job of holding strong. And then as you can see, ultimately, bouncing the price back upwards. Now, if the price does drop below that pink line, I'm not sitting here saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But again, preferably speaking, if the price can stay above that pink line, that's going to be, the best sign of strength on the bulls' part. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line down here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to move, and essentially, if you want to look at it as a trend line, so when you stop and think about it, well, what does the price need to do in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, the price itself needs to continue to increase over time, and that's what bullish moves do, right? And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they essentially insult your intelligence. So again, as far as big picture is concerned, grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? As far as I'm concerned, I'm just going to talk about one level of resistance, and I'll explain that in a second. But key level of resistance is just right up here around the $2.45 mark. I realize the price did technically go a little bit above it, but on a couple of occasions didn't quite get up that high. So I'm just going to try to find the common ground up there and call it 245. The reason I'm just going to talk about one level of resistance is, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance is not really a top priority right now. Top priority is just going through healthy consolidations, building higher bases, because as long as the price has those higher bases, then the long-term chart's going to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.